Hello everyone, and welcome back. It's been a while since we've posted one of these trail camera videos. Starting to see some deer again, even some of the little babies, something interesting. We always see deer, but one picture in here, I'll put it up as the last picture, looks to us like it's a wolf. It's kind of hard to see because it's dark, but you can definitely tell by the tail that it's not a deer. I'm just pulling some grass out in front of the trail camera right now, and I'm putting the SD card back in. You guys can enjoy these few pictures. Mosquitoes about eat you alive out here today. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I will see you guys on the next video.